Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another English grammar exercise. So here we have 5 sentences with blanks. We need to fill these blanks with which, when, who, where, whose. First you need to do is find the place of the blank like this. Then highlight the words that comes before the blank. It's a simple and easy trick. You have to remember to solve these English grammar exercise. If the word refers to people, use who. I hate children who make noise. Okay. Next, I saw the car blank hit the girl. Now, if the word is a thing or animal, we can use which here. Which. I saw the car which hit the girl. That is the man. Blank car is black. If it's people, remember, we use who. But who here is wrong? Why? If the word that comes after the blank belongs to the word that comes before the blank, we use whose here. Whose. Yes. And who is a kind of a short form of who, his. Who, his is the short form of whose is the short form of who, his. So we say that is the man whose car is black. I remember the day blank we met first. Day is time here. Day is a time here, so we use here when. And also make sure that what comes after when. We first met. Here happened on that day. All right. That is the hospital blank I was born. Now, hospital is a place, so we use where. We use where here. And also make sure what comes next happened at this place. I mean, I was born at this hospital. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for such more videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Please do subscribe, guys.